Welcome to today's video. Ever wondered how air compressors power fabrication? Let's break it down. Cutting. Compressed air plays a key role in plasma cutting and laser cutting, helping with cutting, cooling, and debris removal. Plasma cutters use high-pressure air to generate a precise cutting arc, while some laser cutters use air to blow away molten material. Welding. In welding, air compressors power pneumatic clamps and positioning tools, assist with cooling and fume extraction, support plasma cutting but not oxyfuel cutting, which uses oxygen and fuel gases. Shaping and assembly. Compressed air is also used in punching and bending with pneumatic presses, riveting and fastening with air-powered tools, hydraulic press control systems, though hydraulics provide the main force. In conclusion, air compressors are essential in fabrication, making processes faster and more precise. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified for more industrial insights. For more information on the role of air compressors in industrial fabrication processes, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.